Hello friends, my name is Vikas.
So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the most important current affairs of the topic brand ambassador of November month. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. So friends, we'll start with our session, but before that we have something important to tell you about.
So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gained today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important, very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now.
So friends, let's start with the session. In this video we will be discussing important brand ambassadors of the November month. So let's proceed. First is Imtiaz Ali. As we all know, Imtiaz Ali is a director, he is a producer, and we all know for his very big films such as Jab We Met, Love Ajkal, Rockstar, Tamasha. These all are the movies which are directed by Imtiaz Ali. So recently, Imtiaz Ali has been appointed as the ambassador for Russian Film Festival. Important, mark this. For the first time in India, this Russian Film Festival was held. First time in India. During the screening of this film festival, 10 Russian films were started or were lived on the Disney Hotstar Plus. So coming back, Imtiaz Ali has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Russian Film Festival, which was celebrated, or which was the first ever online Russian festival that was held in India. Next. Next, we'll be talking about Zubeen Garg. Zubeen Garg of Bandhan Bank. He has been appointed as brand ambassador. So I repeat, Zubeen Garg, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Bandhan Bank. Mark this. So recently, this Bandhan Bank has announced Zubeen Garg. If I ask you who is Zubeen Garg, Zubeen Garg is a singer, a very famous singer, actor, also a composer. He has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the bank in Assam, that is your Bandhan Bank. Okay, it is the first time that Bandhan Bank has been associated with the brand ambassador since its inception in 2015. So why this becomes important? Because this is the first time that Bandhan Bank has appointed someone as their brand ambassador since 2015. And who have they appointed as their brand ambassador? He is Zubeen Garg, who is a singer, composer, lyricist, and everything related to your music. Next, as you can see here, Zubeen Garg, and he has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Bank of Assam in Bandhan Bank. All right, remember this Bandhan Bank. This is the important of Zubeen Garg. Next appointment is of our Amitabh Bachchan sir. Very important appointment. Mark this. Amitabh Bachchan has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Amway. Apart from Amway, remember he was also appointed as the brand ambassador of CoinDCX, which is a cryptocurrency exchange in India. Brand ambassador of Amway as well as CoinDCX, both are important. So if we are talking about Amway, as a part of the Monumentous Association, he will endorse the brand Amway and all its Nutrilite products by the Amway. So basically for the Nutrilite products of Amway, Amitabh Bachchan has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Amway, and earlier he was appointed as the brand ambassador of CoinDCX also. As you can see him in, he is very famous actor. Almost everyone in the world knows about him. So he has been appointed as brand ambassador of Amway India and Nutrilite, which is a part of Amway itself. If in option Amway is given, then Amway. If by chance instead of Amway they give you Nutrilite, so go for Nutrilite. Next we'll be talking about Jasbir Jassi ji. Very important appointment. Mark this. Jasbir Jassi ji has been appointed as the brand ambassador of South Delhi Municipal Corporation. Mark this, very important. Who is Jasbir Jassi ji? He is a Punjabi singer. Jasbir Jassi, a Punjabi singer, has been appointed as the brand ambassador of South Delhi Municipal Corporation. Very important. And why this has been appointed? It is in order to improve its ranking in the 2022 Swachh Bharat survey. All right, in order to improve the ranking in the 2022 Bharat survey, or the ranking on the Bharat survey, SDMC has appointed Jasbir Jassi as their brand ambassador. All right, then remember, this SDMC has identified 5 brand ambassadors for their Swachh Bharat mission. We all know what is Swachh Bharat mission. It is related to your cleanliness, and which is the city that has topped in the Swachh Bharat, or the cleanest city of India? It is Indore. Indore has been named as the cleanest city. Mark this, very important question. All right, next we'll be talking about Mohammad Siraj. Mohammad Siraj has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Games 24/7 fantasy cricket platform, that is My 11 Circle. Mark this, My 11 Circle has appointed whom? Mohammad Siraj as their brand ambassador. Very important, you should know. Who is Mohammad Siraj? He is a cricketer. He is a part of Indian cricket team. Another question can be asked, Mohammad Siraj is related to which sport? He is related to cricket. Mark this, important. Alright, he also plays for Royal Challengers Bangalore during the IPL season, that is your Indian Premier League season. Where was the IPL session held last time? It was held in Dubai. Mark this. And who won the trophy? It was won by Chennai Super Kings. Alright, next. Yes, one more thing. If we are talking about My 11 Circle, there are few other brand ambassadors that you should know. He is Saurav Ganguly, Ajinkya Rahane, and VVS Lakshman are also the brand ambassador of My 11 Circle. And now latest appointment of brand ambassador by My Circle 11 is of Mohammad Siraj, who is also a Indian cricket player who plays for RCB, and IPL was recently held in Dubai, and in which CSK won the match or won the event. Next we'll be talking about Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant is also a cricketer, we all know. Rishabh Pant has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Indian cricket cycle brand, that is your Hercules. Alright, I repeat, Rishabh Pant has been appointed as the brand ambassador of a cycle brand, and that is Hercules. Very important. And if we are talking about Hercules, Hercules is owned by Tube Investments, that is your TI. So question will be direct. Hercules recently appointed which Indian cricketer as their brand ambassador? And he will be Rishabh Pant. He will be promoting cycling culture among the urban teenagers. Alright. To create awareness about cycling in urban teenagers, this brand Hercules has appointed Rishabh Pant as their brand ambassador. Next, as you can see here, Rishabh Pant, and one more appointment that is very important regarding Rishabh Pant is of Uttarakhand government has appointed Rishabh Pant as the state brand ambassador. Now, what is the work of the state brand ambassador? He will be promoting sports in the state of Uttarakhand. Say it, he is a cricketer, so main focus will be promoting cricket in Uttarakhand. Due to that reason, he will be initiating various events. It will be an awareness campaign where he will be motivating the youth of Uttarakhand to participate in sports. So another important of Rishabh Pant, Uttarakhand government also appointed him as the state brand ambassador, and another appointment was of cycle brand, that is your Hercules, who appointed Rishabh Pant as their brand ambassador. Next we'll be talking about Kapil Dev. We all know the legendary Kapil Dev. He is related to which sport? He is related to cricket. Kapil Dev, if we are talking about Kapil Dev, you should know in 1983 he was the captain of the Indian cricket team when India won the World Cup. So when did India win World Cup of cricket? It was won in 1983, and now Kapil Dev has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Novo Nordisk India. Mark this here, India also. Alright. So Novo Nordisk India has appointed very famous legendary Indian cricketer Kapil Dev as their brand ambassador of the company to create awareness on the better diabetes management. So in order to manage diabetes better, Novo Nordisk has appointed him as the brand ambassador. Alright, so if question is asked that Novo Nordisk appointed Kapil Dev as their brand ambassador for creating what awareness? In order to create awareness on the better diabetes management and early insulin adoption. Alright, Novo Nordisk is a company that provides diabetes innovatives solution for diabetic care, like how you should care, what are the proper diets you should take, what are the diets you should avoid, and when to eat, when not to eat. So all these things and the medicine they give, so everything is prepared by the Novo Nordisk. All right. Next, here you can see Kapil Dev. Novo Nordisk appointed Kapil Dev as their brand ambassador to create awareness on the proper or better management of diabetic patient. Next, another important appointment, mark this. Daniel Bruhl has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador for the United Nations World Food Program. If in the option it is given WFP, then go for WFP. Otherwise, it will be United Nations WFP. That is your United Nations World Food Program has appointed Daniel Bruhl as the brand or the Goodwill Ambassador for United Nations World Food Program. Remember, Daniel Bruhl, he is a Spanish German actor. Alright, he has joined the World Food Program's mission to reach a world with zero hunger. So the aim they are doing is a world with zero hunger. This is the basic aim of the World Food Programs, for which Daniel Bruhl has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador. He will be providing worlds with zero hunger. That means all the people are getting proper rich diet according to daily basis or according to the daily needs. You can see him here, Spanish German actor Daniel Bruhl appointed as Goodwill Ambassador by United Nations World Food Program. Next Next, we'll be talking about MC Mericom. Very important information and very important appointment. MC Mericom has been appointed as the brand ambassador of TriFed. Now, what is TriFed? TriFed is your Tribal Corporative Marketing Development Federation Limited. Alright, for TriFed Adi Mahotsav, Mericom has been appointed as the brand ambassador. Now, if I ask you, this TriFed Adi Mahotsav was inaugurated by whom? It was inaugurated by Arjun Munda sir. And who is Arjun Munda? He is the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. He is the Ministry of MOTA, that is your Ministry of Tribal Affairs. MC Mericom, she is related to which sport and she has won which Padma Award? So remember, she is related to boxing. She has been awarded with Padma Vibhushan. Very important award. And if I ask you which is the highest civilian award for Indian people, it is your Bharat Ratna. Mark this. And Padma Vibhushan is the highest Padma award amongst all the 3 Padma awards. So Mericom, MC Mericom has been appointed as the brand ambassador of TriFed Adi Mahotsav, which was inaugurated by Munda sir, who is the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Mericom is related to boxing and she has been honored with Padma Vibhushan. Not right now, she was honored with this award earlier. Alright, now your homework will be to tell me in which state or from which state does MC Mericom belong. This is your homework. As you can see here, boxer Mericom in the picture, she has been appointed as the brand ambassador of TriFed's Adi Mahotsav. Another question, yes, where was this TriFed Adi Mahotsav celebrated? It was organized or celebrated in New Delhi. Next we'll be talking about Rahul Dravid. Recently we did a question on Rahul Dravid in yesterday's video, that he has been appointed as the head coach of Indians men cricket team. Rahul Dravid. Mark this, important. Alright, and now he has also been appointed as the brand ambassador of a footwear brand for children, that is your Plateau. Alright, Plateau has appointed Rahul Dravid as their brand ambassador, and Plateau is a footwear brand for children. Mark this. Alright, moving on. Next we'll be talking about Saurav Ganguly. Saurav Ganguly has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Century LED Lights. Now if I tell you about Saurav Ganguly has been appointed to the post of chairman recently of which organization? Can you tell me? We did this question yesterday. You should know this answer. Saurav Ganguly has been appointed as the brand ambassador or chairman of which organization recently? He has been appointed as the chairman of International Cricket Council's Men Cricket Committee. Mark this. He has been appointed as the International Cricket Council's Men Cricket Committee, and he is the president of BCCI. Where is the headquarter of BCCI? It is in Mumbai. And if you are talking about ICC, where is the headquarter of ICC? It is in Dubai. Alright? Yes. Next. A good news to all our viewers. Recently, we have launched an course, that is IBPS PO exam course. This is a 25-day free course to crack IBPS PO mains exams. This course duration will be from 13th of December to 14th of January. This course will help you to boost your preparation. This course could be attempted any number of times with no day limit. In this course, we'll be providing you information related to your admit card details, previous year cutoffs, notification related to such exam, and many others detail. Apart from this, you can see here, we are covering the whole syllabus here, like data analysis on D3. Then you are getting quiz of 20 questions with such questions that you can prepare, that will help you, or they are the expected questions that will be coming in the exams. So these questions are very helpful. These 20 questions you will be getting on daily basis, and they will help you to boost your preparation. So go fast and subscribe to this course.
तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी वीडियो. अगर आपको आज हमारी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें. और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर हमारे कोई ऐप से इशू आ रहा है, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप हमारी जीमेल आईडी जो कि है support@affairscloud.com या फिर हमारा नंबर 9677333862 पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड हमारी टीम जल्दी से जल्दी आपके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने में आपकी सहायता करेगी। सो टेक केयर।